Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add animation to Wix mobile version. That's this mobile breakpoint that we have on Wix. So there we can get see in your website scrolling like the scroll effect basically on image. Okay, so let's start and start with I've added this script. So we'll change this color the image. Let's see what image we'll add. Let's see, we'll add flowers. Okay, and here let's add a good one. Let's add, I think this is okay. So now desktop I'm added this thing. I'm adding with the reveal option and scroll option. Okay, so let's see. So desktop it is working well. Now let's look at mobile version. I'll make some space here so that we'll get proper understanding over it. Let's get more and I'll take it a bit downside. And here we need to I'll also add it reveal here. Okay. So now let's look at it. Let's preview it. Okay, it's working wonderfully well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you one other option here. So we go to this, and there is option like we have like a choose a type of animation option. You can on entrance, and here if we give glide like this, so it's coming from below like this glide. Okay, like this. So you can move to any direction. So this is also kind of animation, but let me show you. It worked, right? It worked. You can see it work. Then now you can see if you go to the scroll effect, there is none. So what it means is only whether if you select scroll effect or entrance, only one thing will work. Either you will select parallax, like any one of these effects, it will work. Otherwise, if you click and add any of this effect, that will work. So you can choose any one of these. Cannot choose both, like from entrance as well as scroll effect. So you should choose scroll effect either entrance, like one of the options that it has. So again go to scroll effect, and now this time we'll give feedback. Okay, so let's do it. Working, right? So this is how it will work. So I hope you got this. Thanks for watching, and please comment down if you have any thoughts about this, and if you want me to answer your question, if you have any queries related to this, so let me know and stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.